This is Papa of Papa's page, and today is Cast Iron Wednesday, and we're going to be making red chicken chili. Today in the chili I'll be using olive oil, onion, garlic, shredded chicken, which is in the refrigerator, diced tomatoes, black beans, pinto beans, chicken stock, it's in the refrigerator, corn, chili powder, cumin, and black pepper. I will be bringing you back when I have everything measured out and cut up. I'm ready to get started. I'll pour a little bit of oil in here and saute the garlic and onions to start with. The onions look ready, so I'm going to pour the seasoning in. I'm going to pour the broth in. Chicken, tomatoes, corn, and beans. I'm going to stir it all up and we'll let it simmer for a couple hours. It's been cooking a couple hours. I'm going to boil some up and see if I can't find a taste tester. My taste tester is ready, so here we go.
Very good. A lot of chicken.
And my observation from cooking it is they didn't really add any peppers to it. They relied on the Rotel's tomatoes. I'll probably put some bell peppers or something in it. Thank you for watching, and please leave me a big thumbs up.